Hello student, our next topic of unit 4 is entropy principle and application. In this first topic is principle of increase of entropy. Consider a cycle in which the system is taken from the state 1 to state 2 by an arbitrary process that is reversible or irreversible process along the path A, and the cycle is completed by the reversible process by bringing the state from state 2 to state 1 along the path R as shown in figure. See the figure. A cycle consists of arbitrary and reversible process on PV diagram. Applying the Calculus inequality, phi of d dash q upon t is less than or equal to 0, that is integration 1a to 2a d dash q upon t plus integration 2r to 1r d dash q upon t is less than or equal to 1. Denote equation is number 1. Assume that during the arbitrary process a system absorbs heat from a heat reservoir at a temperature T1, and entropy of surrounding will decrease by the amount given by the equation integration 1a to 2a d dash q upon t equal to minus delta s surrounding. Denote equation number 2. Since the process 2R1 is reversible, it implies that the temperature of the system and surrounding at any instant is same, and heat energy will be transferred from system to surrounding during this process. Therefore, entropy of a system will decrease, and it is given as integration 2r to 1r d dash q upon t equal to minus delta s system. Denote equation number 3. Above equation shows that entropy changes of the system and its surrounding, that is for universe during any process between two equilibrium state, is always equal to or greater than 0. This is known as principle of increase of entropy. Now next, application of entropy. Some of the application of entropy are: first, concept of entropy helps in analyzing the thermodynamic process and cycle is convenient and easy manner. Second, it explains the reversibility and effectiveness of the process, which is not revealed by the first law of efficiency. Third, it explains the availability of the system. Fourth, it explains the equilibrium of many chemical processes and its outcomes. Fifth, it explains the change in melting and freezing points of the two-phase mixture when non-volatile solute is added. 6. It explains the critical rate of temperature in extraction of the metals from their oxide